Welcome to this short video on our Analytics Workbook, brought to you by the team at Maiden. Our Analytics service helps iaptus users to unlock the information in your datasets and reveal valuable insights. In this video, we will walk you through how to track wait times for open and ended referrals using the new CYP Wait Times Workbook. Updated nightly using your iaptus data, this workbook provides a quick and simple snapshot of patients meeting or exceeding your wait time targets. To access workbooks in iaptus, navigate to Reports and Analysis and then to the Dashboards tab. You will see a list of all the workbooks available to your service. If you do not see the Dashboard tab, please talk to your super user and ask them to make dashboards available to you. As with all workbooks, CYP Wait Times opens with a welcome cover page to navigate through different dashboards. The charts in this dashboard are split into two main sections, the top half providing a summary of the number of weeks open referrals have been waiting for a first contact, while the bottom half looks at the number of weeks waiting for a second contact. In each case, the single bar on the left represents the total number of patients currently waiting for either first or second contact, while the main chart breaks these totals down by the number of weeks each individual patient has been waiting. For the number of weeks waiting for a second contact, you can also choose whether this is since the referral or since the first contact, by selecting from the drop-down menu on the chart title. By default, all patients waiting 6 months or less for a first or second contact will be included in the charts. This can lead to some outliers, making the data more difficult to explore, so we have included an option to reduce the number of weeks to display. Simply type in the number of display weeks and the chart will update. If this does result in some patients no longer being displayed, a warning symbol will appear to remind you. You may also want to limit the data in other ways to explore specific patterns. The provided filters allow you to focus on certain categories of patients independently. For example, you may wish to use the MDS appointments filter to limit the contacts included in the analysis to MDS only, or the current stage filter to limit to referrals in a particular stage in your care pathway. The dimension drop-down menu allows you to select a dimension by which to split your data. For example, if you select by age band, the charts will update to show each bar split by the age of patients, with a legend at the bottom of the dashboard explaining the different bands. To view this data by percentage, click on the number or percentage drop-down menu and change the option. Now let's look at the second dashboard. Weeks waited for first and second contact for open or ended referrals. You can either navigate to this from the cover page, as we did before, or by switching to the Wait tab. Once again, the charts are split into time to a first contact and time to a second contact, but now we are looking at data for your patients whose referrals are open or ended and that contacts have already occurred. For open referrals, this data is split by the month in which their referral was received, and for ended referrals, the month in which their referral ended. A warning triangle is displayed when open referrals are selected to indicate that there are open referrals outside the period start and end dates chosen. Begin by specifying your targets, both in terms of the time to first and second contact and the percentage of patients expected to be seen within these timescales. The charts will automatically update to show patients who were seen within the targets in green and patients who exceeded the targets in red. If you select percentage from the number or percentage drop-down menu, you will also see your target percentage line on each chart, providing a quick view on the performance of your service as a whole during these months. Finally, you can again customize the display to only include certain groups of patients or a limited date range by applying filters in any combination. We are always looking for new ways to support your work, reduce the burden of administration, and deliver the best care to patients. If there are any new features you'd like to see added to this workbook or any other, please contact us via support logs or iaptus innovations, and we'd be more than happy to talk through the details with you.